news, now look at the headlines. Examination of 10th and 12th together, schools to function for 241 days. Time increased by half an hour. Education Department sends proposal to the government. Chogule High Secondary says their admissions for this academic year are subject to High Court order on closing the section. Parents feel uncertainty. Principal says we will not dump students midway. BJP all set for the national executive. Delegates and leaders start arriving in Goa. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi says Ayodhya no longer priority issue for the party. Hearing on the eviction notices served to Moti Dongar residents continues. 100 residents attend the hearing. Hearing on 10th June for 5 more residents. And truck collides with a passenger bus at Bori Bridge. Driver of the truck, 3 passengers injured. Now news in detail. SSC and 12th Standard Board examinations will be held together from this academic year. There is an increase of half an hour in school timings now, so it will be 5.5 hours school excluding recess time. Academic year will be of 241 days and minimum of 235 days. 6 holidays will be at the discretion of the school principal. All these decisions were taken during a meeting between Education Department and educationists at Porini on Thursday. The proposal will be sent to the government.
Education Department held a meeting with educationists, concerned teachers and principals at Porvorim on Thursday. The meeting was to finalize few amendments in the school academic year calendar. SSCE and HSSC examination will be held together. Working hours of school, earlier it was 5 hours excluding recess timing. Now it will be 5.5 hours excluding recess timing. Working days of school, maximum 241 days, minimum 235 days. Excluding 6 discretionary holidays. Teaching days will be maximum 204 days and minimum 198 days, excluding 6 discretionary holidays. The proposal will be sent to the government for approval. Once government gives its nod, the amendment will be implemented.
आता ऑप्शन्स दिले तेंका ते आर स्टेक होल्डर्स न्ही कोण एक सांगता कोण अमके सांगता ते सगळे घेतले मेळटा ते बेसून आमी एक कॉमन हे करतले आनी व्हेरी सून इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड विल बाय मंडे वी आर जस्ट डिवायजिंग अ सिस्टम devising a system in a systematic way. That's all.
आणि जो 11वी 10वी 12वी exam वांगडा घेवपाची
that has been accepted by the Goa board. That decision will come. Now various options we have studied. How to that, whether if we extend what till that, how we have to this and all that. That will be put up.
The government.
Yes.
It has been also decided that there will be no compulsion on carrying forward the marks of terminal examination of SSCE and HSSC. A senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Take admissions in Chogule High Secondary at your own risk. The admissions are subject to the verdict of the case pending before the High Court. If verdict goes in favour of Chogule, they can close the high secondary any time. Chogule Education Society has made this clear in its public notice. But principal of the college, R.B. Gaonkar, says that they will not dump the students midway.
The online admissions of 11th standard at Chogule Higher Secondary School began from Thursday. Advertisements published by the Chogule management declares clear risk in the admissions. Chogule's public notice in the news daily says, reveals society's plan to shut down higher secondary in phased manner. Sought permission from Education Department to shut down the higher secondary. Education Department refused permission. Chogule challenges department's decision before the High Court. CES awaits High Court's judgments. Chogule begins admission process subject to High Court's verdict. If verdict in favor of society, higher secondary may be shut down. Admissions online only.
Now, Chogules has already started online admissions. However, I have told parents to preserve these forms till their admissions are finalized.
Chougule Society agreed to open admissions this year, subject to terms and conditions. One of the conditions is that the admissions would open only for this academic year, that is 2013-14. Online admissions only has again created inconvenience to the students. 494 students had collected forms from Madgaon ADAI's office. They have to now apply online. Parents and students were panicked as the website was jammed throughout the day on Wednesday.
2 दीस पयलीं आमी एडमिशना फॉर्म भरपा येयले आनी बरी ऑर्डर काडले टायम वेस्ट केलो सकाळीं येयल्ले आज पेपराचेर येयल्यार ऑनलायन करें ऑनलायन ट्राय केल्यार आमकां नेटूच मेळना कनेक्टूच जायना आमचें
आनी समज फाल्यां केसीचें हियरींग इज इन फेवर ऑफ चोगुले कॉलेज ऑर वॉट एवर इट इज जाल्यार मागीर हे भुरग्यांचें कितें जातलें फुडें हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दॅट
आतां फॉर्म भरून पयला म्हणपा ते ईमेल करून पावले ईमेल नंबर दिला आनी तें ऑनलायन करपाचें ऑनलायन म्हणल्यार लागना आजुनी बिजी मेळटा.
Former Fatorda MLA Damu Naik says he has no faith in Chougule management. He has appealed the government to continue process of taking over the Chougule Higher Secondary.
म्हाका दिसता ही तांची टॅक्टीक आसा कोर्टाक मिसगायड करपाची. तांची ही एक्शन आसा त्या एक्शनाचेर गव्हर्मेंटान डायरेक्टर ऑफ एज्युकेशनान नजर दवरची आनी कॉलेजीचो टेक ओवर जो प्रोसेस आसा तो प्रोसेस तसोच चालू दवरचो कारण हे भुरग्यां कडेन खेळटा अनलेस एंड अंटील तांचे कडेन वेवस्थीतपणे तो सगळो विशय सुटावो जायना.
Chougule's case is now pending before the High Court. The judgment is expected by 18 June. This verdict would be crucial for both the college and the students. Bureau Report Prudent.
BJP is all set for its national executive meet scheduled in Panji from Saturday. Many of the central leaders landed in Goa on Thursday for office bearers meet scheduled on Friday. Bharatiya Janata Party's national spokesperson Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has said that party is firm on Ayodhya issue, but the national meet will discuss burning issues like corruption and inflation on priority. Naqvi has hinted Lok Sabha posed in 2013 itself.
But two words which are conspicuously missing are temple and Ayodhya. So are we to believe that the era of temples in BJP is over, or will this be discussed internationally? देखिए हमारे
आइडियोलॉजिकल जो कमिटमेंट हैं उन आइडियोलॉजिकल कमिटमेंट के प्रति हम बहुत ऑनेस्ट हैं, लेकिन जो पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज़ हैं उन पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज़ जो आज इश्यूज़ जो है वो देश के सामने प्रायोरिटी हैं उन इश्यूज़ पर हम डिस्कस करेंगे.
Because Ayodhya was on the agenda of BJP all the time. Suddenly now it has not become an agenda.
And priority is concerned, the priority before the party is definitely the price rise, the corruption, the bad governance of this government, and इस देश को इस बैड गवर्नेंस से फ्री करना. और मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली लोकसभा के इलेक्शन भी इसी साल हो सकते हैं. तो इन तमाम इश्यूज़ पर इलेक्शन की स्ट्रेटेजी जो हमारी पार्टी का ग्राउंड लेवल का फीडबैक है वो उन तमाम इश्यूज़ पर पार्टी अपनी 2 दिनों की नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव में डिटेल में डिस्कशन करेगी.
The party cadre is all set and geared up for its national executive meeting in Goa. National executive is scheduled on 8th and 9th. BJP office bearers meet will be held on Friday, 7th of June. National executive meeting's agenda will be finalized during this office bearers meet. Gujarat CM Narendra Modi will address the workers' convention at Taligaon Community Centre on Sunday. As of now, the bigwigs have landed in Goa on Thursday. We caught up with the BJP senior leader Venkaiah Naidu.
ये राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी समिति का बैठक का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. कारण क्या है, आगे 5 प्रदेशों में चुनाव है, उसके बाद कभी भी लोकसभा चुनाव हो सकता है. देख, राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी में ऐसा कभी चर्चा होता नहीं. कोई सुझाव देना चाहे तो दे सकता, अलग बात है, मगर निर्णय कार्यकारिणी में होता नहीं.
Narendra Modi's convention with BJP workers on Sunday at Taligaon Community Centre is much awaited. The road leading to this community centre is under repairs on a war-foot level.
BJP आहे ना रे कोण कोण येता तेका लागून मातशें बेगीन करता ते 8 तारखेक इतले आजच कापा हे मागीर करपाचें याद करपा आसा ओ रोड कितें म्हणटालो त्याच रोडान येतले ते खंयचे रोड ते सायडीन येतले ते कितें 7 8 9 तारखेक
Bureau report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.